did not get it all. There's more. Put up a good fight?
Yeah, I thought he was bigger, you know.
Yeah. But... Nice catch, man. Yeah. Nice one. First cast? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's not the warmest thing I've experienced. Makes me feel alive. Woo! Current's pretty strong over here. I'm just constantly kicking, grabbing rocks just to fight. Whew. Line cutter sent me this cool tool here to help cut line. Get line out. You just slip it right in the blade like this. There we go. Easy. Clean all this out of the water. Use my line cutters here. There we go. Alright, look at that. Nice Smith wick. Good news is no one's really fishing out here. Bad news is you can barely see. The current is pretty strong. It's hard to stay out there. Came over to the canal over here. Come up over here. There's a point that comes down. Everybody snags on it. Try to pull some lures off there. Oh, shoot. Oh. There's more. That's a lot of work. There's a lot of lures in there.
That was a lot of work.
Wow. I'm done. I got enough for today. I'm tired and cold. Oh, these out of there. We got a musky lure here, musky lure here, musky lure right here. A couple hundred lures. Here's an evergreen FA 87. It's a big pile. Not that, that's a big pile. I came in the canal and just got all that line out. I knew there was down there, but I've been working on it over the years. A good pile to get out of there. A couple less snags for people to lose their lures on. Good day.